What bidding strategies do you recommend for Google display ads? I tried maximized conversions for an ad account, but hardly getting any impressions. So this isn't a bidding strategy. It could be the targeting strategy. Maybe you have overlapped a few different audiences and narrowed it down quite a bit. So you need to go a bit broader with the audience and try running it. Or you may have put in a cap. Even the maximized conversions, you can put in a target CPA or a target ROAS number. If you have put any numbers, then you need to increase it, and then it will start to run.